I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. The sturdy all-steel caboose, built in May 1952 as number 2561 by the Texas and Pacific Railway. The Missouri Pacific Railroad was known as MoPac and had a cooperative relationship with Texas and Pacific Railway. After that, they ended up gaining a majority ownership in 1928, but it allowed T&P to continue operation as a separate entity until they were eventually merged on October 15, 1976. It was rebuilt again in 1969. For a little bit, it was numbered MP 13124 for road service. Then later was renumbered for local service as 12124. T&P designed cabooses that outlived many of their MoPac counterparts. In 1986, it was donated to the village of Union, Nebraska, in as a symbol as the town's railroad history. Years of vandalism and neglect, Union, Nebraska started fixing it in 2018. With a new coat of paint, new windows, and the surrounding area cleaned up. It's fitting that Union, Nebraska got a caboose for their town. The railroad has been a part of their town from the very beginning. The rails made a junction, or like the town would call it, union of two railroad lines. That gave the town its name. John the Mouse travel map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button